Hello guys, in first lecture we will discuss about the general introduction of haloalkane and haloarine. In this lecture we will discuss the classification of haloalkane as well as haloarine. So let's start it. Thank you. Classification of haloalkane and haloarines, that is ARX. I represented it by a general formula ARX. So classification is based on three types. The very first type of classification is on basis of number of halogen atom. On basis of number of halogen atom, look, haloalkanes are of three type as well as haloarine are of three type. Look, suppose that one halogen atom is attached to an alkyl group, it is known as monohaloalkane. Okay, monohaloalkane. Same as if two halogen atoms are attached to an alkane group or alkyl group, that is known as dihaloalkane. Same as if three halogen group are attached like this, it is known as trihaloalkane. Okay. Same as in case of haloarine, if one halogen atom is attached to a benzene ring, it is known as monohaloarine. Okay, monohaloarine. If two halogen atom are attached to an benzene ring, it is known as dihaloarine. Same as if three halogen group are attached to an benzene ring, it is known as trihaloarine. So that was the first classification on the basis of number of halogen atom attached to an particular haloalkane or haloarine. There are so many types: mono, di or tri. The next classification is on the basis of hybridization. So on basis of hybridization, look, second classification is on basis of sp3 hybridized carbon halogen bond. Okay, here X will be fluorine or chlorine or bromine or iodine. Okay, so on basis of sp3 hybridized carbon halogen bond, here I want to tell you one more thing as a note, that in RX means haloalkane. In case of haloalkane, halogen atom is attached to an carbon atom which is sp3 hybridized. Okay, sp3 hybridized कार्बन एटम से क्या जुड़ा होगा? हेलोजन एटम. ओके, बट इन केस ऑफ haloarine means in case of ARX, halogen atom is attached to an sp2 hybridized carbon atom. sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Okay, so remember these 2 points. In case of haloalkane, halogen atom is attached to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom, but in case of haloarine, halogen atom is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So here we will discuss the second classification, that is on basis of sp3 hybridized carbon atom CH bond. Okay, so in this classification we will discuss three type of classification. The very first classification is alkyl halides. What is alkyl halides or haloalkanes? Okay, alkyl halides or haloalkanes. General formula I already told to you, that is Rx. Okay, on basis of classification on sp3 hybridized base, the very first type is alkyl halide, that is haloalkane. Okay, look, their general formula can also write as CnH2n plus 2x. Okay, now on the basis of classification sp3 hybridized CH bond, haloalkane are of three types: primary haloalkane, secondary haloalkane and tertiary haloalkane. So the very first type is primary haloalkane. How can you identify? If halogen atom is attached to an carbon atom and on same carbon atom one alkyl group is attached, okay, then it is known as primary haloalkane. Okay, अगर आपका हेलोजन एटम जिस कार्बन एटम से अटैच है सेम कार्बन एटम पर वन एल्काइल ग्रुप भी अटैच है, तब आपका जो हेलोएल्केन होगा वो क्या होगा? प्राइमरी हेलोएल्केन होगा। सेम एज अगर आपका कार्बन एटम पर जो हेलोजन एटम अटैच है उसी कार्बन एटम पर टू एल्काइल ग्रुप भी अटैच हैं, इट इज नोन एज सेकेंडरी हेलोएल्केन। ओके, सेम एज जिस कार्बन पर आपका हेलोजन एटम अटैच है सेम कार्बन एटम पर अगर 3 एल्काइल ग्रुप अटैच हैं तब इसको आप बोलेंगे टर्सरी हेलोएल्केन। That was the first type on the basis of sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Now look the second type. Second type is allylic halide. Allylic halide. What is allylic halide? Allylic halide में आपको क्या चेक करना है? एलाइलिक हैलाइड में आपको एलाइलिक कार्बन को आइडेंटिफाई करना होता है। एलाइलिक कार्बन क्या होता है ये मैं आपको बता दूं। कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड से कार्बन 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 डबल बॉन्ड के बाद में जो कार्बन अटैच है उसके ऊपर अगर हेलोजन एटम अटैच है देन इट इज नोन एज एलाइलिक कार्बन। Okay, it is known as allylic carbon. In case of haloarine, how can you identify? कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड के बाद वाले कार्बन पर अगर हेलोजन ग्रुप अटैच है तब आप इसको एलाइलिक कार्बन बोलेंगे। दैट इज एलाइलिक हैलाइड। एलाइलिक हैलाइड क्या होते हैं? कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड के बाद वाले कार्बन पर क्या जुड़ा होता है? हेलोजन एटम। और जहां पर हेलोजन एटम जिस पर जुड़ा होगा उसको क्या बोलेंगे? एलाइलिक कार्बन। एलाइलिक कार्बन इज नथिंग बट द कार्बन एटम नेक्स्ट टू कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड। एलाइलिक कार्बन इज नथिंग बट कार्बन एटम नेक्स्ट टू कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड। नाउ द नेक्स्ट classification on the basis of sp3 hybridized CH bond. First classification was haloalkane, second classification was allylic halide, and the third classification is benzylic halide. What? Benzylic halide. As it clear by the name means बेंजीन रिंग के ऊपर आपका क्या जुड़ा होगा? बेंजीन रिंग के ऊपर एक कार्बन एटम, बेंजीन रिंग के ऊपर एक कार्बन एटम, और कार्बन एटम के साथ में क्या जुड़ा होगा? हेलोजन एटम. इट इज नोन एज बेंजाइलिक हैलाइड. ओके. And what type of benzylic halide is this? This is primary benzylic halide. Why? Because one halogen atom is attached here. Same as how can you identify secondary benzylic halide? Secondary benzylic halide is nothing but one CH2 group, one halogen and one hydrogen group is attached to benzene ring. This one is benzylic carbon. Okay. Now if there are two alkyl group are attached to an carbon on benzene ring, it is known as tertiary benzylic halide. So that was the second type of classification, and now we will discuss the third type of classification on basis of sp2 hybridized carbon atom.